Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to save Chrome tabs when shutting down. So sometimes you want to save the tabs when you're shutting down and you want them to open up when you open up Chrome again. To do that, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on the three dots button. Once here, you'll scroll down and click on the settings option. Once in settings, on the left side, you'll see a list of options. Click the option that says on startup. And on this settings page, what you'll find is there are three options. Select the second option, which says continue where you left off. So Google Chrome will save the tabs that you've just closed, and when you open up, you'll continue where you left off. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to close Chrome. And once I've closed Chrome and open it up again, it will restore all of the tabs that I have just opened up. So this is how you save Chrome tabs when shutting down. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.